What's up, guys? And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Halloween costume review. I know it's a week after Halloween, but I just got my YouTube channel set up, so I better late than never, right? So I don't have my full costume on, only the mask, and I'm going to show you the other thing that I had with it. But I had like a tuxedo and a red bow tie, and this mask. It's the character is Jigsaw from Saw movies. I've never seen the movies, but I've seen clips of the movies. And I liked it because it was kind of creepy, and I just went down the road. I didn't really collect any candy, but I literally got like, I only went up 3 houses and got 5 like double two-handed handfuls of candy, only from like 3 houses. And I was just like kind of riding down the road on my red tricycle, chasing people, waving at people. You know, the usual stuff that, yeah, I don't know. But, let's go give that tricycle a spin. Bum ba. Okay, let's get this mask on. Oh, poop. I'm gonna see if I can, like, get the camera, take a video through the eye hole. See if I can do that. Oh, nope. Oh. This is more difficult than I thought. Okay, so just like that. Yep, that's not gonna work. It would have been cool though, right? So I won't be talking. I'll just be writing because this mask, you cannot hear anything out of it. Okay, let's get started. As you see, it's very creaky because of all the rust that's built up on it for the many years. But the squeaking actually provides very good creepiness for at night when I was scaring people and grabbing people's hands out of the candy bucket. You know, that usual pranking stuff, whatever. I won't call it pranking, but hey. So, take it into the woods. No. But, I should probably get back to the house because my battery's running low. Alright. Back to silentness.
So yeah, I guess that's all. Lights out.